Hi folks, it's Captain Blasko. We got a real treat for you here today. I want to thank you for joining my newest unboxing video. Today I got an amazing product that I'm going to show you. It's the Veg-O-Matic Deluxe Red model. It's the Veg-O-Matic, the same one you've heard about in all those news stories. Why, this Veg-O-Matic was created way back in the 60s by Ron Popeil, one heck of a guy and one heck of an inventor. You may have heard of the pocket fisherman, the Showtime rotisserie. Well, this here is the real Veg-O-Matic. It's the real thing. Now, this one here is made in China. Now, the original Veg-O-Matics, I think, were probably made right outside Chicago here. Go Cubbies! Yeah, they're made in the USA, but now everything's made in China. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox this for you. We're gonna show you how it works. And before you know it, you'll be slicing, dicing, mincing, chopping, making French fries like professionals in a second. All right, join me over here. We got all the essential tools we're gonna need here. We got a rubber mallet, we got a crowbar, we got two soldering irons, we got a hacksaw here, we got a wooden rabbit, we got an espresso pot. We're gonna need coffee later on. We're gonna need some strong coffee. Sometimes this packing tape can really put up a fight. So we got some tin strips from down in the shop there. We're gonna get right into this box here. We're gonna get right in there. Get all these tools out of the way here. Might need them later. Okay. Now you see all these items that we're gonna get out of here. There's something in a plastic bag. Looks like a bunch of devices used for slicing and dicing. There's some screws, some pins of some kind there. Let's see what else we got in here. It's packed pretty well. Came all the way from China. Here we go. Oh, and there it is. You can see it. There it is. There's the red. Oh, I didn't know it had a white base on it. Well, that's a handsome product. And there's nothing else in there. There's your instruction book. That's a green one with a white base. That tells you what you're gonna do and how you're gonna do it. So what we do is we're gonna take this out of the plastic bag here. Well, I can't see any tool that's gonna help me there. Let's take it out of the plastic bag here and let's look at the basic product. Whoa, look at that. There's a piece of cardboard there. Let's get rid of that. There's the basic product right there. What you do is, you put your vegetables right there. You slice them, dice them, chop them, mince them, make French fries in a second like professionals. I think what that is, I don't know what that is. What you do is you put some vegetables right in there and push them down with that, I think, and they come right through, sliced like you couldn't believe. Oh yeah, and it seems to be a well-built product. Seems to be, here, let's see, let's set that aside there. And I don't know what these are here. Here's another part of the product here. Let's take this out here. There's something. What's that? I don't know, that looks like a hair comb. I don't know where those go, but they're gonna go somewhere, I'm telling you. So there it is. That's the Veg-O-Matic unbox. You're gonna join me later on, and we're gonna see what we can do. Here, would you like some peanuts? I got some peanuts, some Cleveland Indians peanuts here, and they're really tasty. Yeah, just in time for the baseball season. When it comes around, it'll come around. It's probably gonna come around. Some of my viewers have been asking me, how'd you get the name Captain Blasko? Are you a real sea captain? Well, what happened was it was an incident that took place involving a rowboat and some friends of mine. We had that boat so loaded down with beer and sausage that there was no way that boat was gonna float. And this all occurred on Lake Champlain, and so the whole thing sank to the bottom of the lake. And I don't know what to say about that. They made me an honorary captain on account of that move. A feller told me that the fish wouldn't bite in Lake Champlain for 2 years after that. They wouldn't eat on anything but bratwurst. So what I've got now is a couple small red potatoes, and we're gonna put them in here, and we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna set it right in there, and we're gonna use the Veg-O-Matic for the first time. We're gonna put it down like that. Whoa, look at that. And we're gonna do another one just like that. Down like that, push it down. Let's take a look at what we've got in here. Let's take this out of here. Let's take this off here. Oh, and look at that. Would you look at that? Slices, dices, minces, chops, makes French fries in a second like professionals. Look at those potatoes. Why, you can either fry those up Or what you could do is you could just take them in your pocket, take them to the ball game. By about the third inning, they ought to be baked nicely in your pocket. Then you can just eat them just like that. I think I'm going to do that. Well, that's all, folks. What you saw is you saw us unbox, assemble, and slice some potatoes using the Veg-O-Matic. I want to thank my friends Lynn and Ingrida in Austin, Texas. And I want to thank Ron Pope Peel for creating such an amazing time-saving product. Now it's going to be a long winter. I hope you find the time to do some slicing, dicing, mincing, chopping, making french fries in a second like professionals. Because it won't be long now. We're turning the corner, and it won't be long before there's spring training, and then we'll be out there sitting in the bleachers again under the hot sun. This is Captain Blasko signing off. Till next time, next time. Those are the best fried potatoes I've ever tasted. If they served them like that at the ballpark, no one would ever come home.